Hi, it's Marissa with Bluestreak Red AM, and we're here at the Rapid TcT show in Detroit. Let's go check out our booth.
We're showing everyone about our Bright AM solution for manufacturing, production control, quality management, real-time tracking. You have a complete audit trail at the end of the day. Who did what? So stop by our booth. We'll talk to you more then.
We've been very, very happy with what Bluestreak has provided us so far, and its ability to know what's going on daily in our facility.
This year's Rapid TcT show is coming to an end here in Detroit. We enjoyed meeting all of you at our booth and hope to see you next year.